Hi viewers, welcome to our DSC Voice with Vipra. So today we have a guest from TCS, Sweta. Sweta, who passed out batch 2016, 2012 and 2016 batch. She's been there in TCS for uh, 4 years and in senior position. And also she's been studying and she's interested especially in data science data set background, and which is really in demand today. I'm currently working as a Python developer and now at the same time in Java development. That basically she develops the tools using technical techniques. So she develops the tools using the technical techniques. At the same time, she's doing a course all right from MBA background, like postgraduate diploma from Mercy Manoji Institute of Technology. So she's at the same time learning and same time earning. So this is one kind of special generation we see that. So this will be very good example to many of the students who depends only the pocket money of parents and all. But this batch has immediately been joined and taken into the company without wasting their time. At the age of 22 years or 21 years only, this batch is in the IT sectors and moving on. So that we have very close attachment with this batch too. At the BVRIT in Mirzapur, which was a batch to me. So that I can understand and they definitely have a very good experience at their own sectors, IT sector, which is one of the upcoming at the same time developing and evergreen sectors, whatever the sectors may go away and fade away, but the IT sector and education sector will be there forever. So Shweta is with us today to tell our experiences in DCS and career and education perspectives and any other information regarding it. So that Shweta, you are welcome to our DSP Voice with Bigla.
Thank you, sir. Hi.
Hi, hi, hi. Yeah, please.
Yeah.
Yeah, tell me.
Uh,
Yeah, please.
Regarding my experience, I've studied in information technology stream in BVRIT. So actually, it's a choice that I've taken, like not mandatorily but forcibly. Why? Because I'm not much interested in information technology
Mm.
stream. I'm into that, and I actually, my thinking would be in a practical way, not in a theoretical way. I'm very much interested in that way. So my lecturers in the PVRIT, who used to teach C, C++, and Java, so that helped me a lot. Like coding is a practical way of thinking and developing something, right?
Okay,
So
okay.
that shifted my interest towards this technical side. So and then I followed the same path till 4 years, and I got placed into TCS. This is our first company in college, and I got
Yeah.
placed in the first company itself.
Mm.
And so while when I got the joining letter to TCS, I have no idea like
Yeah, what's
how the
company?
organization.
Yeah.
Yeah, I have no idea at all. So, which stream, which path I need to choose.
Okay.
So, firstly, in my experience, in this 4 years of experience, the very first year, it took me 1 year to choose which is the best way to uh, build my career.
Yeah.
So then I have chosen the development side,
Mm.
and I've chosen those kind of projects only. So TCS is a company where it is very flexible and it is very good at, as you all know it. Uh, but as a member of TCS, I just think this is like a home for me. So
Yeah.
I learn a lot in TCS company, and the projects I've taken, I've chosen, everything is nice till now. And I wish the same in the future as well. Um, Meanwhile, in the experience when I'm traveling in my working experience, so when I've chosen the Java side, when I'm working in the Java side, so I thought, why can't I choose another technology as well? So I've learned Python then, and I've chosen the Python projects, and I've worked in that. Why I've chosen Python is my ultimate goal is to move to data sciences.
Mm.
So Python is the first step for that.
Yeah.
Well, it takes time. It is not so easy for getting into data sciences.
Yes, yes.
So this is my first step, and just I'm just trying. So hope for the best. Fingers crossed. So uh, I'm just moving in that way. This is my experience. I think I'm not so senior. I'm just learning.
Yeah,
Why?
4 years.
Because
Yeah, yeah, that is 4 years
I'm
experience.
just learning.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm just learning. Why? Because we will be learning always in each and every step. If we think that we know everything, we can't move, right? So
Okay.
this is my thinking.
What was your experience when you entered the professional? Directly, you entered the professional life from the student life, right? So there was no any right, year gap and all. Just finished BTech and immediately you joined TCS. So
Yeah, which
how
is
do you
good.
how do you feel then the transformation of that one being student to become professional?
Which is good, sir. Actually, it is very good. Transforming quickly to. Actually, we are of second batch. We got the second batch of joining. Latest we got. We were of 30 members from BVRIT who got selected for the second batch for joining into TCS.
Yeah.
So we 30 members, we felt that yeah, it is very good. Like. Um it should be a continuous learning. If there is any break in between,
Mm.
so we become like our mind will get shifted, and it will be multiple questions will be rising. So I think it is good for me.
So
So
how do
I
you,
think in that way.
yeah, how do you feel working in one company for 4 years? Generally, people shift over to different companies within
Like
two
I
years
didn't.
of time, 2 years of time.
Yeah, yeah.
But we stayed there for 4 years of time. So how do you feel?
Uh,
How do you feel about it?
like it is just a growth. Like I feel nice. Like I didn't plan this year I need to be here. This year I need to be here. I didn't plan. Like, actually, I'm in a phase of learning, so I thought to explore more in that area itself. So, which is very comfortable for me. And yeah, there are few risks and stress, everything, but I got used to all those. So I didn't think of moving out of other, I mean moving to other place.
Yeah.
So so I need to think, I guess, but I didn't think of it. So but I feel nice, like
Yeah.
I'm comfortable. Yeah, which is good for me.
So the consistency matters for anyone, right? You are
Yeah.
consistently there. You make very instant worker, etc. So why did you try to join other company? What was the reason?
Sir, actually, can you repeat?
Yeah, consistency is okay. One thing you give importance, right? Consistency, continuously working.
Yes.
So it's okay, but generally people go for high package. What was the reason that you could not go in that?
uh, actually I used to think like BTech is not the only solution. When I have applied to many of the universities when
Hmm.
I got 2 years of experience,
Oh,
and yes, that is past two years back. So I've applied to the Australian university. I thought of moving to Australia for my masters. Because I had an interest to know some kind of management skills. Why? Because how major projects are dealt, how administration department they are tackling the situations. So I got like I'll think in that way. Like if I see in one particular stream, I just want to know what actually they are doing.
Yes.
So in that case, I thought to achieve. I have chosen the first point here, so that's why I've applied to masters. But unfortunately, I didn't go there.
Mm.
So I got continue here itself. So, but why can't I
What was the
choose?
reason? What was the reason you gave up doing the third for masters? What was the reason?
Like listen. Actually, I'm the youngest in my family.
Yes,
Okay,
okay, yes.
and my parents they said no. That's why I got stuck here only. Uh, I got the admission from the top university here only. So Naxi Panji, it's a top university
Mm.
uh, where we can like. Knowledge is important. I thought gaining knowledge is very important rather than marks or getting a distinction or gold medal.
Yeah.
Knowledge is very important. I don't want to criticize that, but this is very important.
Yeah.
Oh,
Hi, hi
Vaibhav.
sir.
Yeah, hi Vaibhav. How are you?
Fine sir.
Surprised to Sweta. Giving, she said that you are one of the best friends just now. Uh,
Yes
so
sir.
that's
Same
why
office.
that's why I
say
sent you.
office.
That's why I sent you the message.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, thank you, sir. Hi, Babu. What are you doing in this?
Hi.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Nothing. Taking rest.
Okay. Acha. Okay, today off.
Vaibhav, would you like to ask any questions to Sweta?
You can
Sir,
ask
you
me.
keep talking, sir. I'll speak in between.
Okay. Okay, okay. It's nice to see both of you at once, once. Nice.
Yeah, sir.
I
Thank
will-
you.
I hope someone will join you soon. Let's see if they join or not. Anyhow, very good to see you again. To talk to you. So, Sweta, tell me that.
Yeah, sir.
How was your really schooling there when you were studying right in schooling there? At the time, how was your mindset that what you wanted to become?
So when I was in school, saying like this, actually I'm top in my class. Okay, I'm a good student in my school.
Okay.
I used to study on my own. From the childhood itself, I like practical things
Okay.
from my childhood itself.
Hmm.
So I used to behave like a senior people.
Oh.
Okay. Even I talk in that way only now also.
Okay, okay, yeah.
Okay, my habits will be in that way.
Okay.
Like senior people, like how elders will be there, how their thinking will be, and how. So in that way, when I'm in schooling, also I used to think. So I used to think I have to choose a field where complete practical things work.
Hmm. In schooling itself.
Yeah.
Was it
Yes.
CBSE or state?
SSC, sir.
SSC?
SSC.
Okay.
Yeah, SSC. I am from Narayana Concept School. Actually,
Hmm.
my childhood till fifth, it's from I am from MNR, and then I shifted to Narayana School.
Hmm.
So, though Narayana is very strict, but the content used to be good.
Yes, the content is there.
Yeah,
Definitely 100% results mostly.
yeah,
One or two
yeah,
will fail, but of course, they create a
yeah.
curriculum
Content
like
used.
that. Yeah.
Yes. So even Vaibhav also know, like I won't be calm. So some or the other time I'll be shifting my work. Like
Yeah.
sometimes I read, sometimes I work, sometimes I play, all the time.
Yes, yes.
In college also she is a top only, sir. So many would be dependent on her.
Yeah, yeah. I know.
I used to be dependent on you.
No, no.
Yes, yes.
So
Hmm.
yeah, like that,
So,
like I don't feel like burden, sir. So
hmm.
from the school itself, I used to be like this.
Yeah.
This is
You
not
had
a quick transformation.
you had a kind of mindset that so you want to be senior or superior. Do you feel that way?
Mm.
You
No,
want?
I won't think in that way. I
Hmm.
won't think in that way, sir.
Hmm.
But I think how superior thinks. That's
Okay,
it.
yeah. You think how superior thing.
Yeah, but not, I don't feel like I'm a superior.
Oh.
I just think in that way. That's it.
Okay. Thinking,
Uh,
okay. Thought process was totally different, like matured kind of work. Is
yeah.
it so?
Yeah.
So thought process was totally highly matured. So that's what, okay, you are here today and definitely very nice life to you. So then let us come to the point again. What was your right experience, the memorable experience in intermediate? Can you share any?
Intermediate, intermediate, actually, I was a chill student in intermediate. I left everything. I
Hmm.
used to, like, let's see what happens. I used to
Okay,
be in that way.
that kind of.
That
Now
kind of.
also same thing, right?
Yeah.
Let's see.
Like, yeah, like,
Let's see kind
let's
of
see what
attitude.
happens.
Yeah, let's see kind of
Uh,
attitude.
yeah, so I used to, I won't take much pressure.
Yes,
I will
yes.
take pressure, but I don't express that pressure. Sometimes,
Yeah,
only
that,
sometimes.
how do you manage? Yeah,
Uh,
pressure action. How do you manage your stress level? What is the past
like
time?
no one used to force me to study, sir.
No,
Even
not only that.
even
You created pressure. Okay, I do. You're the kind of girl that okay, let us see what happens. So how do you manage that kind of attitude without showing any stress or tension in your face? So what do you take care of it?
managed is, I can't tell you exactly. Like I didn't think in that way to like this. I need to, and I mean, I used to balance it with my
Yeah,
own.
what is that? That will be very helpful for many of the students and the candidates who are working in different sectors. So how do you manage your stress level? What do you do for that? Managing your stress level.
Sir, if we do one work, we need to be focused only on that work.
Hmm.
So if we shift our work, so we can balance in that way, sir. Like focusing, I'll just focus. If
Listening,
I
otherwise listening the songs or
listening, yeah,
like
exercise. I do exercise.
okay. That's for sports and games. So these are very
Yeah,
important because when we
yeah. I play some musical instruments, and yeah.
yeah,
So
because
I'll be do those kind of tasks so
yeah,
that I can concentrate more.
it's very
That's it.
important because otherwise
Yeah.
in this hectic schedule of our life, definitely will not be like very happy. Otherwise, we don't have any kind of hobbies. We must have some hobbies, whether it is sports,
Yeah, we have to, sir.
yeah,
All the time we can't work and read. Sometimes we
yeah,
need
that's
to
right. Yeah.
spend time with family or something.
Yeah. Okay. Let's come to the point. What's actually your family background? How they are really supporting to you, your family background and all. How they are supporting to you
Uh,
for moving on in your hectic schedule.
so family background.
Yeah, I'm asking about how your family really helpful to you moving
Yeah,
on for the.
actually, they have trust on me, sir. First, they won't force me to do this, that.
Hmm.
They'll just as actually we are some in a stage where we can think of about everything on
Okay.
ourselves,
Hmm.
so they won't much pressurize me. They just support me if I want to,
Okay.
for example, if I want to study this, then, oh yeah, okay, go, if it is right, so they won't question me. Till now they didn't question me.
Vaibhav, would you like to ask about because you are very close friend to Shweta? So would you like to ask anything related to that?
Related to? I didn't get you, sir.
Yeah, related to her education, family background.
Yeah, apart from family background, I wanted to know what you want to become apart from IT. So if you are not in the IT background, in which
Hmm.
background you would have been?
Yeah.
I would have, okay, this is a really nice question.
Right.
uh, I would have been in a organic farming business. Okay.
Great,
Yes.
great, great.
I like,
Nice.
Today
I like,
everybody needs it. Indeed. Organic
yeah,
farming. Everybody needs it.
yeah. Yes.
Are you
Actually,
planning further? Are you planning further for going for organic farming like after some years?
I'm thinking, sir. Maybe
Oh,
in future.
I will also join then.
Yes.
Yeah, you are.
Okay. You
You
collaborate.
will
Otherwise,
definitely.
it's better to collaborate. Both of you collaborate and do the work better.
Yeah, yes, sir. We
Yes.
are planning. We'll do someday
Well,
we'll resign and we'll do some other thing.
Yes.
yes.
Already Vaibhav is an actor also. He acted in Brahmostra movie.
Oh, really? Why?
You don't know?
That's why, sir. No one is
No.
able to see, sir. Only I should search in the screen myself where I am.
Okay. Hmm. So anyhow,
Yeah.
Vaibhav has other side character also. So that has to come.
Yeah.
When time comes, definitely we'll see.
Yeah,
Uh,
yes, sir. Somehow I came to IT, sir. I should go other side.
yeah, for everything there is time because Vaibhav, there is time for everything. So now the
Yeah.
time for Sweta, of course. So Sweta has come on screen today, and then your time you are on screen. The same way, light screen is totally different. Whenever we want to go
Yeah.
into different.
Yes.
Yeah. What's Sweta?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What
Yes,
would you
sir.
say? Sweta, what would you say?
Uh, that's it, sir. Like, I want to do some small scale business, not a large one. Like, it should be very useful to all the people. It should be very helpful to everybody. On the basis of health, and they need to be very healthy and happy.
Hmm.
So, good food makes person very healthy and happy.
Yeah,
So, in
that's
my
Yes, sir.
view,
Uh,
yeah, that's
Always she'll
why.
be eating healthy food, sir. She'll be recommending, but I won't touch it also. I won't like.
why Vaibhav? What's the reason? Why don't you like?
No, sir.
I'll be.
She'll tell some different things, sir. Every
Okay.
You have to follow few things, not all the time. We should not eat the fat foods or sugars, everything. So once in a while, like, we need to prepare our body in a healthy way.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
So that,
okay.
so I'll follow
How,
all
what
those
are the
things.
measures you are taking for your healthy life? Shweta, what are the
Sir,
measures you are taking for your healthy life?
yeah,
I do
correct question, sir. To the right
Yeah,
person you have asked.
yeah, please.
Sir, actually, I just do exercise daily, sir.
Yeah,
Like, I dance, I'll be singing all the time.
okay.
Like, I listen to music all the time, and I'll have healthy food. I'll make sure that my meal is completely full of vitamins, proteins, and light carbs. So that will be my daily routine food, sir. Like, I won't prefer to have all the outside junk. I don't
Okay.
like. So that's why. So this in this way, like, I'll follow few people, sir. Like, I think you are aware of Sadhguru.
Hmm.
I'll follow few people. Like, I don't let others to follow, but
Yeah,
I like him,
that's your
so
opinion,
I'm
of
just
course.
following.
But everybody has
Yeah,
one
that
guru.
is my opinion. Yeah, so I'll follow him. So I think that is right. As this is our life, so we need to make sure that we should live a healthy and happy life. Hospitals and all, why that is not a good way. So having a healthy food will keep our brain healthy, so we
Yeah.
can think a lot. So I'll think in that way, and I'll just move on, sir. Like, so my everyday, I do everything.
Okay.
That's it.
Okay. That are the measures for your healthy life, and what are your measures for your for the future life? I mean to say whatever it is, it's a career and other goals.
The future, about
Settling in your life,
future,
settling in your
uh,
family life.
settling, I didn't think of it, sir. Actually,
Yeah,
I didn't think about it. That's what, sir, I'm telling you. Okay, let's see.
yeah,
Okay,
yeah, career.
so at
What do you
present
think
we
of?
are fine like this.
What do you think of your
So
career?
Till
career,
organic
yeah.
thing she has thought, sir.
So,
Yes, and after that
After
I
that,
didn't. So in my office, I mean, professional career, It's like I want to be a data scientist. That's it. Why? Because like if we see, for example, let's take the present situation, COVID situation. If we see, we are able to know how many cases are getting registered daily in all from all the countries. So how we are able to know all this? So what is running behind it? So how are they knowing the stats of each and every country, each and every place, and how the names are getting registered? So I just want to know. So that is because of data scientists,
What do you think
artificial
of
intelligence.
what do you think of controlling this pandemic situation? How do we come out of this situation today? How do we come
Coming
out of?
uh, coming out is we have to take precautions, sir. Doesn't mean that we need to sit in home. Okay.
Yes.
I'm sorry, sir.
No.
So we have to take precautions even if we are sitting in one place or even if we are going out. So we have to take precautions. So that is a major thing we need to follow so that we can get out of it. So majorly when it comes to reality, vaccine needs to get released. So then we will be out of this pandemic as soon as possible.
So one thing. Let us see. How was your preparation for interview before getting into TCS when you were in fourth year? So what was the preparation process at the time?
So to be frank, I didn't prepare anything. To be frank, I just watched 2 videos from YouTube how the interview process will be, and I made sure whatever the content that I have written in resume, I need to be perfect. Not to be perfect, like I need to be confident in what I have written in resume. Confidence matters, sir, not the question that you are answering in a right way. Why? Because so that deals the other person, so you can yourself drive the interview, not the other person. So when we are confident, we can drive the interview so easily. We need to be make sure that resume is perfect and we are confident in the content that we have written. That's it.
What was the subject you were well versed at the time? And, how actually what kind of questions were asked in your interview?
My questions are first, tell me about yourself. That is a universal question. Yeah. So there, I answered approximately 1 minute. So from there, the chain dots got connected. Like they asked me about Java. So why you have chosen Java and what are the OOPS concepts and can you write one program? Yes. So I have 2-3 programs they asked me and I wrote around 2 programs and that one is wrong. And but I confidently told them that this is right.
So confidence
And
matters. Confidence
yeah.
matters.
Yeah,
So
yes,
what?
sir. Confidence matters.
Yes. So while getting into the panel, I was super tensed. And when I started talking with them and the interview, when the first question has asked, so at that time, I thought that I can do it. So I did it.
Yeah, very good.
There is no much thinking in that.
Can you share some more questions to the students who are upcoming, like after facing interviews? Can you share some more questions? What they were at the time when you were there?
Yeah, yes, sir. One thing, we have to be very perfect in the resume that we are preparing. That drives everything. Why? Because the interviewer who is sitting in the panel, he doesn't know what you are. He just know your name and your resume. So we need to be very confident in that resume content, and you have to, with a positive attitude, with a smile on your face and confidence levels, we have to be in eye contact with the person who is interviewing us. uh, we have to be very bold enough and we have to be very honest. And the questions, when come to the questions, you have to be very confident in the technology that you have chosen. So never think that we can only drive the interview. Sometimes uh, sometimes plate changes, and
Yeah.
we doesn't know what will happen. So if we are confident, we can in the technology and the questions, like from the basic to the intermediate level, not till the advanced. Why? Because no one is perfect. No
Yeah.
one is smart in the organizations that
Yes.
they are working.
Yes.
So if we are smart, if we let them know that we are smart, then we are in.
Yes.
So the basic and intermediate level of technical questions, we need to be perfect and confident. Though it is wrong, we have to be honest.
Yes.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Yes, sir. I want to add one thing, sir. Actually, as I said in the previous interview, only confidence. Even though you say the wrong thing, you have to say it confidently that yes, this is the right thing.
Yes.
And one more
That
thing, the way you present, the way you tell the answer, it's not like just Java is so and so. You need to tell it in a different way. Like when I say something like, and Vachusa interview when I've attended, they've asked me to tell the story of Bahubali.
Oh.
oh,
Yeah, so everyone were
So
telling the
no,
same thing,
they
but
check here your communication skills indeed. Because
yeah,
yeah,
how you
the way
narrate,
you present,
yeah, how you narrate the story
yeah,
in English, like okay, yeah. Okay.
yeah.
yes,
So main confidence, sir. Though you don't know anything, you should be confident.
Yeah,
yes,
that's very important. This,
very important.
because subject
Yeah,
is okay. Anyhow, we have subject, but how confidently
yeah,
we work at the environment is very important these days.
Yeah,
Because
yes,
if you don't have confidence, that's just you are suppressed. Nowhere else. Subject secondary. Is it so?
yeah,
yeah, that's
yes,
right.
yes,
Okay.
yes,
Shweta,
that's
let
right.
us come to you. Okay.
Yeah, yes, sir.
What are the right your pastime pastime
Sorry,
activities
sir.
pastime activities?
Okay, co-curricular activities are
Yeah.
talking
Yeah.
about. Like as I said, I love
Everything.
music,
Yeah.
so I will listen to music
Hmm.
always, and I dance a lot,
That's it.
uh, and I'll play musical instruments that will help my mind to relax.
Hmm.
And I do exercise. I'll play with kids. That's it. I'll go out. I'll roam like
That's
anything.
enough actually. That's enough to stress buster. A stress buster is that is more than enough indeed. So whatever are there.
Yeah.
So that's very good hobbies. Actually, I hope definitely all will adapt to that kind of hobbies for getting out of the stress and everything is there for the people who are hectic, right schedule have that. Right,
Mm.
Shweta. Okay. What do you say, TCS?
Sir, TCS?
About TCS?
About TCS.
Yeah, yes,
Sir, TCS is a good company, sir.
yes.
Like, it depends on projects, but
Okay.
irrespective of projects, company is very good. It will be very pleasant. So it's a it will be like a resort. To be
Hmm.
frank, it will be not like an office. So
Yes, okay.
we can one resource have a peaceful time if he or she have no work.
Yeah.
So they can chill. It will
Uh,
be very flexible, sir. Like
do you get leisure time? Do
no
you get
one
leisure
will.
time? Do you get leisure time in work schedule?
Yes, sir. Of course, of course.
People say that
As
Only if
no.
you
we
have a
are,
good manager, will get, sir.
Okay.
yeah, depends on project. It depends on projects. Like if we are working in some, if a manager is very strict, then we can't do anything.
Hmm.
So the pressure will be in that way. But company is very nice, sir. So with good benefits.
Yeah.
So
That's,
it will be very good actually. This is
yes.
it is like something we feel like home.
Because this Indian company, okay, very good company. Infosys and this is, okay. Anyhow, we work
Yeah.
well because workaholic people. What do you think smart work and hard work, Shweta, which is preferable for the students? Smart work and hard work at this time.
Yeah. So we have to work hard, but with smart mind.
Oh.
That's it.
So what does that mean? Please, can you say clearly to understand the
Sir, we have to observe the things first. We have to observe it. So what a person is saying, we should be a good listener first. And then we can come up with points.
Okay.
So there we can win. Half of the battle is won there only. So, uh, sir, when come to me, I don't know about others. In my opinion, I'm a very lazy person. I just think that work should finish as soon as possible.
Yeah, that's not lazy.
So,
You are a quick person. You work quickly and finish stuff and keep it safe. It's not lazy.
and like sir, there is one proverb like I don't know the exact line. Lazy person. Uh, the sentence meaning is lazy persons can't sit at one place, so they want to quickly finish it off and take and relax.
That's it.
So
So
I'll
that
follow
is
that.
one plus point only. It's not at all minus point.
So in that way, we can think some in another way, like not we should not think in a way like everybody thinks. We should think in some other way, which is right or wrong. We should not think about the result. We need to trust the process. So working hard with smart mind is we can.
Okay, what are your memorable moments in DV Rajan stock technology?
Sir, everything is memorable, sir, in VVRIT. We are missing a lot our college days. We will be talking even now also, like recently also we have discussed. So if there is any time, we will be visiting VVRIT.
College campus is very beautiful. I'm not I'm the best
Yeah,
of it.
yeah. When we were in the college, the first time we used to enjoy sports day. I used to bunk too many classes, but no one used to know it.
Sports day. So I had sports day. Okay, but in my class you were there regularly. I could not see that you
Yeah.
were. You were also
Yes.
there.
Sir, sir, after telling this, you will make sure that no one will bunk the class now.
So anyhow, language class definitely you enjoy it and you interact with the teacher very well. So at the same time, you have to listen to other class also. So what do you think of that one? Bunking the classes. Okay, people say that here backbenchers are the record breakers. What do you think about it?
Yes, yes, sir. I'm a backbencher and I'm the corner person in the class.
So
I used
sorry.
to sit last bench corner
So what?
and
How do you define
uh,
it? How do you justify it, the statement?
uh,
How do you
sir,
justify the statement?
like in yes, sir. Like in BVRIT, when I was studying, I used to do a kind of preparation where I'll make sure 3/4 of the textbook I should prepare.
That's it.
Yeah, 3/4 of the textbook. Why? Because I used to read only twice. That too, I used to watch YouTube videos and I used to learn. Why? Because I don't want to spoil other students,
Yeah.
but I used to do this. Uh, I used to sleep in class. Okay.
Oh,
Yes.
what? I
Uh,
didn't find any time. I didn't find any time sleeping in the class when
like he
classes
used
were
to
not
think
there.
me that I'm a good student.
When
That's
when
why I didn't.
when classes were not there.
No, sir, I used to be there, but you think that I'm a good student, so you used not to focus on me.
Okay.
Shweta,
That's
now sir will focus only on the last benches.
oh you. No, sir, they can't deal the situation seriously. The students who are sitting in the last
But
benches.
Bible used
Uh,
to be in middle benches.
No,
No,
sir, I
sir.
also
He's
last
also
bench
last
only.
bench. He used to
No.
sit behind, sorry, beside
Oh yeah, this one. Yes, yes,
me.
yes. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Sir, at least she used to sit one row behind, one row front side, sir. I used to sit at almost wall would be there. That's it.
Yes.
Yeah.
Corner, the corner.
So we used to bunk classes, but we used to make sure when in the exam comes, we used to make sure to complete the syllabus in a way, whatever the question comes, we have to answer in a proper
No
way.
problem. Yeah.
So that we used to make sure we have to do everything, sir, in BVR, not in our BTech days. Like not only respective of college, like those are just memories. Those memories should not
Yeah,
spoil
yeah.
us.
The student life is
So
common to anyone, especially
yeah,
bunking,
so
but not
we
regular
have to do,
bunking. Regular bunkings
yeah,
are wrong, but often bunking
we
okay.
have to balance everything. Like we have to enjoy, we have to study, we have to be in each and every area so that we can create some memories.
Okay. Okay. So then,
Bunking the class will help us a lot, sir. Actually,
hmm,
it will help us to deal any situation. Like if
yes,
you don't listen any one class for 1 hour, you should read it anyhow in the book. So many ideas will come at that time.
yes.
Yeah,
So it is good, but
No, no,
not
but
every day.
not
utilizing
always.
Something.
the
Not
time
Yeah.
how
always.
you utilize that matters. So bunking,
Yeah,
Yeah.
okay, some
Yes, sir.
people bunk and do some other right. What we say that is antisocial kind of thing. But
Yeah.
some people do very good side. So that depends on the person how he takes it.
Yeah.
yeah.
Yes, sir.
Person
Exactly.
how they takes it. We have to be in every place, but we should not spoil our time and career. I mean, the student life.
Yes.
So we have to be very cautious. We have to be in a positive way.
Yeah, always because academics first anyhow, and
Yeah,
okay,
academics is
environment
first.
and bunking will be secondary and third part. So
Yes,
bunking
yes.
is not the first part of any academician.
No,
So that's what.
that not at all.
That must be reached to the audience.
Yeah,
The-
that's it. That's what, sir.
yeah.
That memory should not spoil us. They
Okay.
have
Memory should
to,
not spoil our career.
yeah.
Yeah.
That's it. Okay. Then how did you feel when you missed your MS abroad? You said that you just almost you got opportunity go abroad and do MS. What was your
I felt
feeling?
bad. I felt bad, sir, at that moment.
How did
I
you come
felt
out of?
bad.
How did you come out of that mood? Because missing work, missing studying in abroad.
Uh, like I didn't think so much. I just uh, went to my parents' side and I just thought in their way. And I think sometimes, okay, let's see how the life goes. Everything is not as planned. So we have to move on with whatever we have. So I just thought in that way, in a positive way, and I just moved on with, and I'm now comfortable with what I'm having. So
So,
hopefully,
what philosophy did you learn from the incident? What philosophy did you learn from the incident?
I like we have to think in a way, in a positive way. Whatever thing happens, we have to be positive, even though the situations are negative. Even some situations are pressurizing you. Also, you have to be in a positive way. If you are in a positive way, you can deal any kind of situation.
Yes.
uh, like this is the scenario, my master scenario. So when my parents said no, uh, why they are saying no, as I'm a youngest in the family, that is not the point. So I was thinking like I can handle it, but they were like they got frightened. They can't send me. Uh, they have given me an option that you can do anything that you want here.
Mm.
So okay, let's see if it used to happen. It used to happen in a smooth way.
Mm.
As some or the other hurdles came, no. So I thought, okay, let's be happy with what I'm having. Let's move on with the career. I can have a better life here only. So in
Surely,
that way, I thought,
surely. As you are doing that MBA concerned, that postgraduate MBA, right?
yeah,
Postgraduate diploma of MBA concerned course, definitely that will give you very good life. You can switch over to the profession also sometimes.
yeah,
It's very good decision what you have taken, switching over to
mm,
the MS course.
mm,
So
yes.
let me come to the point. Okay. If you would be the team leader, right, what would be your distribution of work and what would be your style?
Sir, if I'm a team leader, I just make sure that my team is comfortable first. I don't pressure them. I just give them a freedom that they have to work on their own. Okay. They need to take the responsibilities on their own. I don't want to monitor them always. I just make sure to give them freedom so that they can come up with their own points. If there is any trouble in the team, at that time I'll just step in inside it and I can deal the situation.
Yeah.
So teamwork is very important. Like there should not be any politics.
Yeah.
There should not be any ego problems. They have to be very comfortable.
Yeah.
So that will give us a quality product at the end of the day. So I'll make sure of it. So as per my experience, I just think as a team member, I'll think in that way. Like if team lead gives us some freedom, we can learn everything in a clean manner.
Yeah.
So that clean manner freedom needs to be given to the team members.
Yeah.
So if I'm a lead, I'll make sure that uh, to be taken care of
Yeah,
for
very
my
good.
team.
Very good.
Nice team lead, sir. If at all you're a team lead, hire me, na. I want like a team lead like this, sir.
Yes, yes, definitely. Definitely. Let us so definitely she'll be soon team leader. So, Shweta, what would you expect from your seniors leadership quality?
Leadership qualities, their management skills, sir. Like we are just learning. Even they are also learning. I don't think they are also fully smart or qualified. Uh, like I just think there are some qualities which I don't have. I need to grab them.
Okay. What are the qualities would you like to grab? What are the qualities? How do you want
This
to
kind of
achieve them?
when it come to my professional career,
Okay.
if I see my managers, they are very nice as of now. They are very good. They are very talented also, and the way they manage their team without any giving burden to them is matters. So how they are dealing such kind of things in a clean manner, I just keep focusing on that, sir. So the way they are talking with us, the way they are guiding us, if any risk comes, the way they are handling it. So the risk management and the communication and the management skills, these are very important to excel in any of the background, not only in the IT, in each and every background. So
Okay.
like that's why I
Yeah.
just think in that way we need to have some kind of management skills to move on or to excel in anyone's career.
Okay. Did you come across any kind of risk that you would manage?
Yes, sir. I have come up with risks, sir. There will be many deliveries that we need to, in my experience, we have to deliver few of the things to the customer. So there will be few deadlines that I have given, and I didn't complete in the proper time.
Oh,
So at that time, have the team member should convince the manager so that he can convince customer. So we have to give the proper explanation. So I have given a proper explanation and I have managed that risk
okay.
and we have convinced the customer and I have taken some time and I have delivered the product. So that was my first risk. So that's why I didn't forget that. So that was a memorable risk
Yeah. Okay.
where I got tensed so much. Why? Because I don't know this platform. I don't know how the organization works. This is my starting of my career. I don't know anything. So the way you talk, the way you convince matters. So it should be in a honest way. So we can deal the risks also. Even a high, I mean, even a person who is in a hype way, he can cool down.
Yeah.
So
So time makes us learn many things. Time makes
yeah,
us learn many things.
yes.
So what do you think of this time? The time plays major role in one's life.
Yes, time definitely plays a major role. It will definitely plays a major role. Though some may have good times, some may have bad times. Good times will teach us a lot. Bad times will teach more. It will teach more. Like we should not think that this is a bad time and we can't do anything. There will be a good time. Everything is temporary. Not everything is permanent. So I'll think in that way. Like if we are happy, okay, enjoy this moment. So I just think in that way. Like time teaches a lot, though it's
Did,
good or bad.
did you face any bad time in your life?
Yes, of course, everyone will face it.
Yeah,
Of course, sir, everyone will face it. Not only me,
can you
but the
explain
way
that?
you handle it, like experience means I can't justify here. I can't mention it here. But uh, bad time teaches a lot.
Yeah, and good time. Good
Uh,
time, we can't learn anything in good time.
yeah,
I-
there is a proverb like
yeah,
if we succeed, it is a successful life, which is very important.
yes.
But once you fail, you can know the
When you are
value of success.
when you are failure, you are alone. When you are succeeded, there will be more for you. So that is
Yeah,
right, saying what you want to
yes,
say.
yes. That is what I want to
So
explain it.
if you face failure, you will be alone. You think that what happened. So only any
Mm.
friends or relatives also come and say just two words and go away. But ultimately, you have to be there to think everything.
Yes.
Yes,
So
sir.
that kind of mental strength is important. What do you say about your
Yeah,
mental strength?
mental strength. So my family supports me a lot. Like we need to have a person, or we need to have some or the other closed ones to support.
Okay.
So if we are, not everyone thinks in the same way. So mentally we need to be strong. So being mentally strong is also tough. So support is very important. So what we are going through is very important. So support is required for the mental health.
Yeah. Okay. Mental strength is important for the physical fitness. The physical fitness is important for mental strength. Both,
Yeah, that's why I
yeah,
do.
both coexist. Both coexist.
Yeah,
Yeah, yeah.
both are interlinked. Both are
Interlinked.
interlinked. Yeah.
Physically not good, mentally you are not good. If mentally not good, you can't go for any gym or anything like that. It's not possible.
Yeah.
That's
Yes.
what one has to maintain the mental strength and physical strength. Both are very important in our life. So,
Yes.
Vaibhav, what would you say that here? Physical strength and mental strength.
Yes, sir. Mentally, we should be strong, sir. We should be sound on it. Actually, it will guide us. Mental strength, like it will guide us. Like you can face any situation, no matter how bad the situation is, you can deal with it in that situation.
Yes. Yeah. Okay. So that is good. Sweta. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Let's come. So, what would be the changes you would like to change the syllabus of today? What are the syllabus is there for the IT sector? So, what would be the syllabus would you like to add to IT sector? IT course.
Uh, okay, IT course.
Yes.
So basically, it should not be in a information based. I think when I was studying, I mean, I'm studying also.
Yes.
When I'm studying, I'll just think it should not be in an informative way. It should be in an inspiring way.
Yeah.
So everything needs to be in a practical way,
Yeah.
like why we are doing that, not what is it, but why we are doing it,
It's
why
not for
and how.
marks. It's not for marks.
Yeah, why and how. These are the main questions that needs to trigger in everyone's mind. So what doesn't make sense?
Yeah.
How and why makes sense? So that in that way, the syllabus should be. So information should be in that way, so that each and every person can learn practically, not like theoretically.
Yeah. Yeah.
So that needs to be changed so that when comes to real time, he or she can think in that way. That is the main base.
Yeah, yeah. So what do you think of then education system in India today? And further, there is one more new education policy is coming forward. What do you think
Yeah,
of it?
yeah, which is very nice. Actually, education system is getting changed. That which is very nice. Like one can choose their own interest. uh, that helps a lot in the way they are thinking. Not there is there and in my view there is not IT or there are many other departments as well. So everyone needs to get excel in each and every department. As we are not aware of it, so we came to this
Yeah.
IT. But there are many departments,
Yeah,
many challenging departments.
yeah. Just let me come to the point. So you said that you are unaware of IT sector, IT, right? I mean to say branch. But how had chosen that IT sector?
I have chosen it that's what, sir. I do, when we are, if I'm using one mobile phone,
Yeah.
how we are using it. So what is there, how we are managing the apps. So that created interest in me. So I want to dig more. So that way I am into this.
Okay. So let me come to the point. Why indeed the disturbances have been taken place at the age of right 19 and 20 or this time. So how the people would get out of it? Any distraction?
Disturbances.
Yeah, distractions.
Distractions like sir, I can't judge their mind. First thing, I can't judge their mind. So everyone will have their own pain. So yeah, we have to struggle, but uh, it takes some time to get out of it. So a regular
Okay.
exercise and getting connected with the nature, or spending time with family.
Mm.
Uh, we have to take break from everything. That will help a lot. And that, like, we have to be busy all the time, like doing some of the other activities, not just studying, but doing some of the other activities,
Yeah.
so that we can distract our mind. This needs to be in a routine way, like
Okay.
from so that we'll be get used to it, and we can uh, become mentally strong. But we should not forget that phase. We have to remember it, so that we can be whatever we want to be in the next phase.
Okay.
So I'm thinking that way.
Yeah. Did you come across anything like that, infatuation in your life and overtook the kind of things which distracted your mind? How did you manage that?
Uh, Sir, everyone will be having some or the other kind of anxiety feels.
Yes, yes,
Not only me, everybody will be facing this.
yes,
So we have to be make sure that we need to get control of our emotions first thing.
yes.
So that's what we have to be very busy all the time.
So emotional
We have to
intelligence is
be,
very important. Emotional intelligence is
yeah,
very important.
that is very important. That links to our mind actually.
Yes,
So mind and heart. So we have to be busy all the time. We have to talk in a nice way. We have to see good things. We have to read good things. So that helps a lot. Other than that, but being that way also takes time.
yes, yes.
Yeah.
Why actually right the people could not control sometimes away from the kind of teenage temptations and all. What was the reason?
Sir, not everyone will be too hard or too strong. Some will be very sensitive by birth. So sensitive people can't handle the emotions, or they can't control the emotions.
Yeah.
But they are the strongest people, I think. Sensitive people are the strongest. They will turn out to be the strongest ones when they are out of few of the situations.
Okay.
Yeah, so that's what, being mentally focused being physically focused helps to live in the moment.
Mm.
That's it.
Okay. What is your life philosophy, Shweta?
My life philosophy is very simple. Always aim for the toughest thing.
Always face for the toughest thing.
Aim
Ah,
for the toughest. Aim for
okay.
the toughest thing.
Aim for the toughest
So
thing so that everything will be easier.
easiest one will be beside you.
Yes, yes, yes. Very,
This I'll follow this from years. So surprisingly, have shared this philosophy in the interview as
so,
well.
what, yes, yes. What would you give the suggestions to our upcoming generation students?
So they are very fast actually, and they are very intelligent than us. I'm pretty confident. They are very intelligent
Yes.
and uh, they can think, they can come up with new updates actually,
Mm.
the coming generations. We can also learn from them. Okay. And, but they have to be very focused
Yeah, that's the
with a
difference
proper
actually.
good
Yeah.
attitude,
Because
with good attitude,
mm,
and they have to learn practically whatever the field they are
yes.
in, whatever the field they are, and they have to make sure they need to be bold and not entertain the other stuff kind of what is really required, they need to be focused
Mm, yes.
on. So time is very valuable actually. They
Yeah.
are, this is a nice thing, coming generations are very nice.
How do you manage your time?
I manage it. I just I'll just balance it. If I work for 4 hours,
Oh.
I'll listen to songs for 2 hours. I'll sleep for 1 hour. I'll spend. So irrespective of time, like if I get interest, I won't see any time. I just open a book and read. I do whatever I want. So I just make sure that this day is a satisfied day for me.
Yes.
So each and every day is very important.
Yeah, every day is beginning day for us. When the people feel that every day is the beginning day, we focus perfectly and finish it perfectly. So work as it is the first day for us.
Sir?
Okay. We
What?
have to work. We have to work as it's the first day for us.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
So
Yes.
when you work as it's the first day for us, we focus 100% and we deliver our results also 100%. That's right.
Yes.
What Vaibhav, what do you say? What would you say about it?
Yeah, yes, sir. Actually, she was saying theoretically, sir. I'm actually I was practical on it. Like everything from the first day itself was very tough for me. So now I'm something like okay. If I see even the tough situations, it is like okay. I've seen this already.
Okay.
So if you get a tough situation from the day one itself, then it is fine, sir. You can deal with it later on.
Mm.
Actually, it's a good thing.
Actually, I've seen Vaibhav the most in those times, so I know it.
Please, please.
So
Yeah.
the way he handled, and he is very patient, and now he became very bold, and
Very good and very
I
handsome guy in the class, you know.
No,
yes,
sir.
Really.
and he's a very positive person.
Mm.
Um yes, actually, he's a very good friend of mine.
Yeah, he's a good
Very
friend,
good
good,
friend.
good student to mine. He always
Yeah.
keeps, actually, he keeps in touch with me, even in Twitter and somewhere. Wherever I go, he follows me. Vaibhav follows everywhere. Almost Facebook, Twitter.
Yeah,
Thank
he
you.
he
Because, thank you, Vaibhav, because such a student, getting such a student is really rare these days. Because friend and teacher relationship totally fade away these days. Uh, but,
Yeah,
uh,
yes, sir.
okay,
Yeah,
still,
actually, our circle should be good, sir. Actually, though it is very limited to 10 to 15%. If you connect with everyone every time, you'll get to know new things and all.
yeah, definitely. Always we have to keep in touch with different people and speak to the people of every after 6 months or 3 months, like so that we can update our knowledge from so
yeah.
spreading the knowledge and updating knowledge. It's totally different because everyone has different kind of experiences, and some happy memories can be shared. Sometimes some sad memories can be shared, and sad experiences. These are all sharing the things will definitely soothe our mind sometimes.
Yes.
So this
We
particular
can relieve from the stressful episode also.
yeah, definitely it is really from the stress episode or whatever. So I'll ask you rapid questions now. The final
Okay,
round.
okay, okay.
Yeah. Srina. Family,
Family, my support, my everything.
profession,
Profession, it's a dot of life. Without that, we can't excel or we can't move.
DVRIT,
Memorable,
Vaibhav,
sir?
Vaibhav,
Okay, Vaibhav. Vaibhav, he's a good friend, actually. He's a nice person, innocence, perfection.
Thank you, Shweta.
Bigda sir,
Sir, Bitla sir, he's a book. He's like a book with a good content.
oh, thank you very much. Thank you. Okay, good. Right.
As you said, it's a rapid. I was just.
Okay, okay. Chairman sir, our chairman sir,
Sir,
chairman sir, Vishnu sir.
chairman, he's inspiring.
Very good.
He's inspiring. Yeah.
Your friends,
My friends, they are everything. Actually, they are
politics,
like my
politics,
polit- politics. Waste of time.
cinema,
Exactly.
cinema,
Entertainment.
social media,
Um, if we think in a positive way, it is informative. It can spoil also. Now we need to be very careful.
YouTube channel.
YouTube channel, entertainment. It's also an entertainment and it is also a learning content.
Okay. And,
There's a lot of learning content in it.
okay, India,
Without that, we can't live this place. So it's a basement. Jai Hind.
marriage,
Marriage, it's a beautiful responsibility.
love,
Love, it's a feeling. It's a responsibility also. It is a responsibility also.
love after marriage,
That's what beautiful responsibility.
marriage after love.
Sir, both are same, sir.
Sir,
Love.
pass.
So, Vaibhav, the question to you. Marriage after love.
Pass, sir.
Okay. Correct. Anyhow, would you like to get love marriage or arranged marriage?
Sir, no, I didn't think about it, sir. Firstly, I didn't think about it.
Okay. What will you, if anybody would like to propose in future, what will you see about it?
Teacher, no, sir,
No,
not
no,
at all.
future.
Future, okay, okay. Future,
Ah.
future, I didn't think of it, sir. If don't know how time comes, I don't know.
So you can accept anything,
Yeah.
whatever it comes in your life.
Not like that. We can deal with it. Like we should not give the commitment to everything. Like we should not take anything for granted. That's it.
So then, what would you write your ending line to the audience?
Like just a simple, I just tell them in a simple way. Like never think that this or that will be very hard. Like I'll follow this. As I said, I'll follow this as my policy. Always aim for the toughest things in your life. So everything will be easy for you. So never think that this is so tough. Why it is tough? Rather than choosing a way like what and what, just think in a way why and how. So
So
everything will be answered.
that's it. So thank you so much, right, for being with me for BSc Voice with Bipla, right?
Yeah,
And your friend adding and sharing your Bible, right? Right. That's a very good sharing and very good right, conversation with you, Shweta and Vaibhav. Thank you, Vaibhav, for sharing your right time and
Yeah,
strength
yeah.
and sharing
Thank
the
you, sir.
screen.
thank
Thank
you.
you for giving the opportunity again.
Sir, we are
Yeah.
here. So just a thought I would send the link to your set of links too. But I think some of them you would join. It's good to see. Again, some of the students and some of friends who are there already in the BTech, again connecting and working in the same companies, again professionals, and coming back to right again on one screen. It will be fine, I felt, so that I think to some of the students, and okay, will be there. Mm. Then Shweta, it's nice to see you again. All right.
Yeah, thank you so much,
Yeah,
sir. Thank you
I
for.
wish you all the best for your all the endeavors in your company, and if you go for in future any other companies also, you'll be number
Thank
one
you,
in
sir.
that position. And be safe and be healthy forever. So mental health is also important, and maintain the same right kind of stamina and stability in future too.
Yeah.
All the best for Shweta, right? Shweta and
Thank,
Shweta
thank,
and Vaibhav too. Very good.
yeah.